Hello everyone, this is Oscar and my dog. No, say that again. This is my sister and my dog, Jessica and Oscar.
I got you. What are you gonna do?
Wonder where that Jessie babies is? At my dad's.
Oh, Jessie baby's at the dad's. Can
What?
I do this?
I can see Jessie babies right now.
Pull me.
Jess? I keep holding him.
You know what you're gonna do? Oh, man, Papa. What you know what you're gonna do? Got you now. Oh.
Thank you. Ants.
Hello. Okay, let go now.
What? Not yet. Yeah, you can now.
Got you.
Five goes.
Ow. Ow.
Oscar! Oh no, go on, carry on, sorry.
Got you.
Jess? Jess, look at me.
Oh, pull one down, okay? Playing with dog, guys. Ouch! 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 I bit the face. Oh, kiss me there. Oh, no, my baby.
Oh, sorry.
No, my baby.
Jess got that fella in. Is it okay?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're in public, aren't we?
Guys, I make the Oscar channel. I'm gonna make the Oscar channel. I don't know if it'll be today, tomorrow, or when. When we're making the Oscar, when we're making our Oscar channel,
Where are you going? I don't know.
I'll just have to change the name. Don't know.
Right, you lot now. What are you going to do?
You going on the field with Oscar when I'm not here?
Now, what are you going to do?
Okay, do this one. I just made a video, but I'm adding it on this video if I can.
And when me and Sam make a channel, we try and do it every day. But what we'll do like a couple of a day and then put it on.
We'll come while we're on field at times.
Yeah.
I just like get I like get myself a wallet case first.
Right. I got you now. You're not going. What are you going to do? Ah, what you
Pick him up on your chest.
No, I might fall in.
Okay.
Okay. Whee! I'll sit down. I might fall in. Ah. Ow. Ah.
If any kids come on, do you want me to delete it?
I'm trying to pull it down. Ah, I got you. Ow, ow, ah.
Jeff, when we're doing, I don't know what, hey guys, we don't know when we're doing Oscar channel, but we're thinking of putting Oscar. But we're gonna, what we're gonna call it? Oscar what?
Oscar dog.
Oscar dog.
Or something like that, I don't know, yeah.
We'll have to decide together what we're calling it. And we put, every day we try and get Oscar channel.
Ah.
Obviously, also I control it because he's only a dog. But it'll be finished at the end.
Oh, sorry, bud, I didn't make you.
No, when Oscar died in the future, love it. Jess, when the Oscar dies in the future, are we keeping this channel or we may delete it?
Oh, we keep it.
Are we going to just change it back into my name and your name?
I want to keep it for memories.
Oh yeah. Then we could go Oscar. Oh, we could do that. Oscar Memories. Change it in Oscar Memories. We don't know what we call it.
I might do video on there now and again.
Wow.
Ah.
Oh, I won't try to keep it up every single time. Every time it goes on the field, I might do one with it.
Ah. Ow.
Do you want rabbits on this channel, Jess? Or are you not bothered?
Come on then. Come on then. Come and fight like a dog. Ah.
No pranks will be on this channel.
Ah.
Me, Jess and Oscar, me and Oscar, I'll have to do a welcome. No, because I do it obviously, but Oscar will have to be there.
Ah,
I don't know when that is. What?
What are you going to do?
Well, obviously we'll have to do a welcome channel.
I'm on talk to Oscar. What are you going to do? You start now.
We do and then welcome to the channel and stuff like that. And tell them what, if they're going to be pranks. I don't think they're going to be pranks. I can't take it. It's going to be Oscar just playing about on the field in Dells.
Well, sometimes we'll probably go in it.
Yeah, sometimes we go in it and sometimes we might not too. Because I'll be video recording it. We did do, it would be great if we done Ben a channel.
I know.
Oh, sorry guys.
Oh, deleted it.
No, not deleted it. Jess, watch what you're saying. I'm not deleted it.
Oh, for God. What you did then?
I mean,
How was you not pointing at Oscar?
yeah, I just knocked it fly. I'll just take that little bit off.
No, it's okay.
1, 2. Are we putting this on Oscar channel or our channel?
Come here. Nice.
Yes.
I don't know. I'm going to put it on my channel. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Not making one.
Wow. We'll have to do a welcome video first. I'll do it tonight when I'm on my laptop with old Jess. I could sit on the chair.
What are you going to do?
Or go in the kitchen or come outside. Don't know how we're going to do it, but I'll have to wait till I get my phone charger, my wallet case. But that'll be after holiday.
Ow.
I'll have to get one sooner, but I'll have to ask Mum, can I get one online?
Ow. Ah. Ah.
Can I point it to me just a minute for say hello, or do you want me?
Yeah, you are.
Hello everyone.
I don't actually press it out to go off.
Yeah, but oh, would they?
I think so.
Oh, sure, go. I like one. Let me say hello, guys. Enjoy being outside. I don't.
Oh, yeah.
I'll probably be outside every day.
Oh.
Why? Yeah. This is my brother.
Oh, boy, man, he don't like it.
Oh, I got you on, Steve.
Andy, shout the dog. Oscar!
Oh, who is it?
Oscar!
Who is it?
Oscar!
Where is it? Who is it, Oscar?
No, point it at me. Not worth taping because it's only 39 minutes.
Pick him up, babe.
Oh, do you want to say bye? Hang on, just wait till Steve goes.
See what's out for when we get here. open games here. Try like being on camera.
Yeah.
Sorry gang, yeah, I can't go because they don't like being on camera. So, hi. I'm Jessica, as you know.
Oh,
Hello.
Emily's doing a bye video.
Bye-bye. Bye guys, delete it now. Bye.
Bye. Just say bye. It's not worth it, only like 10 minutes.
I know, but we're gonna. It don't matter, I do it for 10 minutes.
You sure?
That one was what you had, you can put on your channel, you.
Oh, whatever. Oh yeah, we adding it on, that's not worth it. We had it on, won't we? And that's still in the field. Ah, poor Andy.
Don't worry, I'm not choking the coffee.
Oscar!
Did you get Steve?
Don't know.
Just tell me. Let's see, pass it in a minute.
I know, but...
Are you doing a video? Hi guys.
Oh. No.
No, don't delete it. Carry on.
Well, yeah, I have got it in when he, I couldn't help it.
Oh, no matter.
Don't put it on where he is. I'll put it on in... I think he has a little bit, but I've got that lad on the bike.
It don't matter, it's public, isn't it? Don't worry, he's behind you, he's fine. I'm watching him.
Let me see.
Don't worry guys, I'm watching him.
Who is it?
Can't see him, but he's coming now. Let's go.
Yeah, I can see it.
Right, your leg has to be. I can't keep it up so long. Can't keep it tucked in so long. Oh, I end up in. Come on. Yeah. You don't want to. You had enough now. And you had enough. Now I can't play. It does that. It only plays like 10 minutes or so. And then that's it.
Yeah. Do you want it on more than 13 minutes?
Yeah, a bit more. I want to add it. Might add it.
Watched it. I got.
You can have one after
I got Zara. Do you want me to while you eating?
Yeah, have one.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. Why still trying? We're still trying, isn't it? 15. Do you want a bit more? Oh, it's only 15 minutes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, bud. Let's go here. Okay. Come on. Oh, man. Eat it, Oscar. I don't think he likes the queries, guys.
What?
You must bite it out.
I'll back up for him. Okay. Oh yeah. Hello guys. We're eating quavers. Actually, minutes. Do you want that? But the end now.
No.
Oscar. Oscar.
Then put it down because you coming.
Come here, baby boy.
You do it.
It's your time. Oh. You don't know.
Grab him. Take him up.
I can't with one hand. Guys, I might let go.
I'll not get the person and come back and see on camera.
Okay. I can't let old Oscar and thing. All I could do is.
Oscar, come back. Oscar, good boy. Good boy, Oscar. Hey, listen then. He said come back and you listen. Good boy, Oscar. Don't you like Chris? Don't like Quaver. Don't even give him a Quaver. You didn't eat it. Guys, you gave him a Quaver and he didn't even eat it.
I haven't told you that enough.
Oscar, come back. Oscar, come back. Oh, you need a drink, Oscar.
Yep.
Panting again. Oh no, he's okay. Stay. Stay. I'm running up there. Don't worry, Carl, I'm keeping an eye on him.
Can we end it now, because it's 22.
There you are.
Come on
I'll
then.
let you go. Bye.
You go, bye.
Bye. Love ya. Peace.
See ya.